Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Telegram wallet to your bank account or card. It's really simple. First, open Telegram, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, and select Wallet. Once your wallet is open, make sure you have a positive balance in your wallet. If your balance is zero like mine, you won't be able to continue. Next, tap on P2P Market. Once you're in the P2P market, tap on the Sell option. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, for example, TON. Then choose the currency you want to receive, let's say euros. Now you'll see a list of available offers. For example, here's one that's verified and supports Wise, N26, Revolut, Paysera, and SEPA Instant. Simply select the offer that works best for you, follow the prompts, and once the transaction is complete, the money will be sent directly to your bank account or card. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.